Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate objects in Adobe Animate. So let's get straight into it. Now select the object on your stage using the selection tool. So this is this one here, or you can select it with V on your keyboard. Now I will drag this box, as you can see, through the whole object right here. Now the second thing is what we are going to do is select this one, free transform tool, or simply just press Q on your keyboard. Then you will see this black around the object, and here we can size it, and also we can rotate the object like so, for example. And yeah, this is pretty much it. You just click at the end outside of this object, and you have, in our case, this object on 90 degrees or 180, like that. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.